To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Another big story of the day. INDIA bloc leaders will be holding a key meeting today, this evening, and the issues that are expected to be discussed in this meeting include the, poll revision exercise that's currently underway in Bihar, Pahalgam terror attack, India's response via Operation Sindoor, Trump's repeated claims on ceasefire between India and Pakistan, government's foreign policy, impeachment motion against Justice Verma. This is what we've learned, that these are some of the issues, in fact, that the opposition leaders are expected to consider and discuss, and they will be preparing some kind of a strategy to target the government in the upcoming monsoon session of Parliament, and that is why this meeting becomes extremely important today. But the question really is that is Aam Aadmi Party, is INDIA bloc really united as far as the INDIA bloc is concerned, and fighting the BJP at the center? Because yesterday only Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, decided to exit the INDIA bloc. This was the announcement that was made by Sanjay Singh, the member of parliament from the Aam Aadmi Party. Listen in.
देखिए, आम आदमी पार्टी का जहां तक प्रश्न है, हमने स्पष्ट किया अपनी स्थिति कि इंडिया गठबंधन जो था वो लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए था। उसके बाद हरियाणा हम अकेले लड़े, दिल्ली हम अकेले लड़े, बिहार का चुनाव अकेले लड़ने जा रहे हैं, और 2 बाई इलेक्शन हुआ, एक गुजरात में और एक पंजाब में। दोनों बाई इलेक्शन हम अलग अलग लड़े। तो आम आदमी पार्टी इंडिया गठबंधन का हिस्सा नहीं है, और जो मुद्दे संसद के अंदर उठाने हैं, आम आदमी पार्टी मजबूती से उसको उठाएगी। आप जानते हैं, हमने हमेशा एक सशक्त विपक्ष की भूमिका निभाई है और वो निभाएंगे।
And viewers, today's meeting is being held after a long gap since INDIA bloc parties jointly deliberated on the country's political situation, despite breakup, announcement by Aam Aadmi Party. Congress's General Secretary Jairam Ramesh has said that the group is united and its prominent leaders will hold discussions online this evening, and then will have a meeting in Delhi later.
प्रमुख जो दल है, इंडिया जनबंधन के जो दल हैं, दल के प्रमुख जो हैं, वो ऑनलाइन कल मिल रहे हैं। देखिए, अब पता ही चल जाएगा इंडिया जनबंधन है कि नहीं। हाँ, बिल्कुल। ऐसे तो सवाल ये उठाना चाहिए कि नड्डा साहब के बाद बीजेपी अध्यक्ष क्यों नहीं नियुक्त किए गए अब तक।
And the Aam Aadmi Party, while distancing itself from the INDIA bloc, also questioned Congress's role in leading it, despite being the largest party. Congress, however, seems unperturbed. Let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Niyamika, today evening around 7 o'clock, this crucial meeting is going to take place of several leaders from the INDIA bloc. Aam Aadmi Party, we know, is not going to take part in this particular meeting. It has, exited from the INDIA bloc. But tell us about the other political parties that in the past have not been very happy with the Congress and with Rahul Gandhi's leadership specifically. Are they going to be a part of this meeting?
Well, yes, indeed, the information which we are getting from our sources is that as many as 18 political parties who are a part of the this India Alliance are going to participate in today's meeting, which is going to be a virtual meet, and the head of these parties are also going to participate in this meeting. As per the sources, it is also being told to us that the CPP chairperson Sonia Gandhi may also attend this virtual meeting, which is basically being called to prepare a strategy to how to corner the government in the upcoming parliament session. And apart from her, there is going to be Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi from DMK. It is expected that MK Stalin will also participate. From Samajwadi Party, Akhilesh Yadav will be there. From National Conference, Farooq Abdullah, and from Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray is also going to participate in this meeting, as this is basically to strategize that what all issues are going to be raised. The major focus point of the India bloc is regarding Operation Sindoor, regarding Pahalgam terror attack, and specifically targeting the government regarding the Election Commission's SIR exercise, which is currently going on in the state of Bihar just ahead of the assembly elections. Because we have seen that how the Congress party and the other opposition parties are continuously asking Prime Minister Narendra Modi to clarify the government's stand regarding the repeated claims which are being made by the US President Donald Trump for the ceasefire announcement between India and Pakistan, as he is basically claiming that it is being done only because of a trade deal which is being finalized by the United States between with India as well as with Pakistan. So for that reason, the Congress party, apart from the other political parties, are also seeking a reply from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's side that what actually is the stand of our country. Apart from that, if we talk about SIR exercise, for that reason also the manner in which the opposition parties are making this claim that this is nothing but just a theft of votes which BJP is trying to do with the misusing Election Commission of India. That issue is also going to be discussed in today's meeting, that how it is going to be raked up in the upcoming Parliament session. So it is going to be a really interesting meeting, that how the plan is going to be chalked out on the part of the India bloc parties. But if we talk about the unity in particular, then there is two different issues. One is contesting elections, and another side is standing united during the Parliament session. In the past, we have seen that Aam Aadmi Party, even though they were contesting against the Congress party, they used to be standing together during the Parliament session. But this is for the very first time when Aam Aadmi Party has completely distanced itself from the India bloc, and that is the only reason why it is also not being invited in today's crucial meeting, which is going to be attended by many of the senior leaders.
All right. Thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your inputs. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this developing story. We will slip into a very, very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Don't